So, guys, a while back, I was blocked from Papa John's, right? And it's been like 2 years since I've been blocked, okay? So, I just called them up and I talked to the corporate the other day, basically. And they said they can't do anything because they need DoorDash to do something about it. And I'm so confused. I'm like, why do you need. Okay. So, I call up DoorDash and they say, oh, we can't do anything because we're not able to unblock you from stores. And the manager over there says to call the merchant line at this Papa John's. And I call the merchant line and they can't do anything either. So why is it so hard to unblock somebody from these stores? I mean, honestly, how hard can it be? You just hit the button and unblock somebody. Why is this such a difficult thing to do? I don't get it. I just don't get it. Everybody should be trained in how to do this kind of things. Because it shouldn't be said